Are you looking for over 55 in Camden County, New Jersey? Well, I have the premier location here. This is the one that people ask me about the most, Centennial Mill. This is 3 Hopkins, Voorhees, New Jersey, 55 plus. Let's check it out. We got French doors to this versatile room. Use it as you please. Bonus room, office, rec room, nice. You can see that there's crown molding all throughout. And this property has a lot of wainscoting. Lovely. Got the columns, which are a Del Webb Pulte feature in all of these types of homes. And this way we have bedroom number 2. Looks to be about 13 by 12. You got a double door closet, and it has the full bath with the soaking tub, tile surround, tile floor, nice vanity. Coming through, this is the great room. You have the gas log fireplace, the A-frame ceiling, and just plenty of room to put your big screen TV. And it has a nice view of the patio, barbecue heaven. Walking this way, more of the Pulte columns, wainscoting in the dining room, more crown molding, 9-foot ceilings, all good. Let's explore the kitchen. Throughout, you have the 9-foot ceilings, recessed lights. These are 42-inch cabinets. You have the opportunity to display some of your heirlooms up top. Low windows, tile floor, low maintenance, everything. Got your flat top electric stove, microwave, stainless steel, nice. Got a lovely patio area, let's check it out. And imagine entertaining in this spot, nice courtyard, excellent spot for a barbecue. It's a nice patio area, perfect for entertaining. Let's check out the master bedroom. This is nice, they have a circular vestibule before entry, low windows, lovely exposure to the patio area. You have the coffer ceiling with crown moldings, so that goes higher than 9 feet. It's awesome walk-in closet. Seller's gonna keep these cabinets here for you so you could store all your stuff. And then, of course, you have the master bath. And you have your water closet in here, double sink, and this is your stand-up shower, tile surround, nice and neat. Wrapping your way around the kitchen, behind it, you have your laundry area, got a stackable washer dryer, and behind this door is a garage, and I'll explain what the benefits of this garage are. Very, very special in this community. Got the double washer dryer, and then this is your HVAC. This was upgraded back in 2020, so it's newer, nice shape, carrier unit. Can you see yourself living here at Centennial Mill in this property? If you do, make sure that you make your appointment as soon as you can, because this is the only property available as of this filming in Centennial Mill that's a detached home. There's some attached, but none that are detached. This is part of a 401 mega community, over 55, Voorhees Township. It's right adjacent to Eastern High School, which makes it nice. Have plenty of access via 561, Route 73, all the shopping that you could possibly imagine. And guess what? You have a clubhouse, not only one clubhouse, but you have 2 that are separated, 16,000 total square feet. One is the more social community center side. The other one is the athletic side with pools. You have an indoor pool, outdoor pool, you have shuffleboard, you have every type of amenity that you could imagine right there at the exquisite clubhouse. And by the way, it's a gated community. And the big secret to these, which makes these the most desirable in the area, is what didn't you see in the front yard? You didn't see any garages. All the garages are set behind the units. So there's alleys, and that's where you pull in, park, and it makes it feel like colonial Williamsburg here. Absolutely outstanding. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and make sure that you tune in for all our next videos. But this is a special one. This is the one that people ask me about the most, Centennial Mill, Voorhees, New Jersey. Thank you for watching.